Hi guys! Well, tonight I'm out in the village of Bowling again, which is actually, well, what I'm actually doing, I'm in a little woodland area which is kind of situated within the village of Bowling itself. So what I'm intending to do tonight is try and get some woodland photography, because I'm actually on a kind of national cycle route path. I was actually intending to come down here to do some bluebell photography. Yeah, because I've seen quite a few bluebell vlog videos out there done by plenty of photographers. And this area actually had loads of bluebells. Loads, not this particular bit, it's a bit further back, so further back that way. So yeah, this place, the place I'm referring to, was swarming with bluebells. Unfortunately, since they've all died off. There's not a single bluebell left. I could scarcely believe it. So yeah, here I am in this woodland, and there's not one single bluebell left. How's that for luck? So yeah, instead what I've done is I've come into another little woodland part of the cycle route, and this is actually a lovely little part. It's kind of like something out of the Chronicles of Narnia or something. It's really, I took a few pictures here before, so I decided to come back and get some more shots of this place. So I might take a few panoramic shots, I might take one or two tight-in shots, and yeah, I'll just kind of take a few shots and see how they go. Yeah, so fingers crossed I get something pretty decent tonight. Okay, so I've got a few shots already. I've done 2 panoramas. I've also set up another composition which is for 3 trees, which is facing the other way from the other trees that I've just photographed. Yeah, in this shot we'll have 3 trees in a kind of vertical portrait format. Okay, so I'll try and get a few more shots in here, try a few different angles. Might try wide angle, might try some telephoto angles. I'll try and see if I can come up with some interesting details of the trees or branches. And yeah, so with the time I've got left in here, with the light I've got left in here, I'll see what I can get and just see what images I can come up with. Right guys, well that's it for this video, and I hope you enjoyed the images I've taken and the video footage. And yeah, and I'm sorry I wasn't able to get to do the main point of the shoot, which would have been to shoot bluebells. Unfortunately, yeah, because as I got to there with the bluebells, there was actually no bluebells to be seen, so I can't believe that actually. I still can't believe that, the fact there's no bluebells whatsoever from one week to the next week. But anyway, that's the way nature goes. Okay guys, well I'm going to go now before I get eaten alive by flies and midges in here, and we'll see you all in the next one. So until the next one, this is Kenny saying bye for now, and I'll see you soon. Okay guys, so before I get eaten alive by midges and flies, I'm getting eaten alive here. That's the outtake.